Hi, my name is Caleb Nelson, and I am a member of Group B, which includes Sereng, Abdulaziz, Michael, Gaucher, Addison, and Nabil. Next slide. Segment selected. We decided to choose small businesses and startups as our customer segment, given that they are an important segment for the entrepreneurial landscape. These entities play a crucial role in disrupting industries with large incumbents. Fortunately, small, medium enterprises, formerly known as SMEs, have become a major contribution to the development of countries where 99% of businesses are classified as SMEs and 99% of SMEs are classified as micro SMEs, according to Eurostat and the annual report of 2018 and 2019.
Thank you, CK. Here we are listing some of the products that the SMEs usually would have. First of all is the treasury management. The purpose is to get a holistic perspective of all business finances. The second one is the business credit card with competitive rates. And then the money market accounts to access their money at any time. One of the most important sort of product is the ability to have no minimum balance requirements, as well as to give a holistic analysis of the segment.
Team B would like to implement a portfolio-oriented strategy that would concentrate on relevant proportion of SME business volumes and have all the data sources in place when portfolios are designed and active commercial roles by offering attractive and customized banking services.
So for the future, we would like to also think about looking at customized current accounts. So looking at customization of our customers, payment gateway so that we can integrate with other banks and things, type of different service providers to give an integrated service, do some mentorship on it while we grow the client and the customer. Co-working spaces where we can then do RAD sessions and also learn from each other. And then also starting to look at supporting the business management team. So that is the initiatives that we would like to add to that. So next is the segmentation detail.
Thank you, Gaucher. Now we will explain the homepage of a CRM tool. As we can see on the top left, there is a company logo that redirects us to the bank website. Then there is a search box in the middle, and that box is not only for searching for a specific account or report, but also can be smart enough to answer the question like Watson and Google Analytics. And when we look to the left side, we can see the sales team, and this is a dynamic part. As per the access level, as example, the global sales officer can see Asia Pacific, Europe, Middle East, Africa, and Latin America. For different access level, they can see their regions and areas. And this is also the drill down capability to open more information about each area. Then we can see the top 5 startups, since our segment is SMEs and startups. So we have mentioned them here. Then we can see also the top key accounts. And then in the bottom, we can see and refresh our data that displayed on that page, or download the report in the preferred format. Now, Nabil will take us with more information with the charts part.
Thank you, Michael. So to begin with, we have a quarterly performance chart, which will basically give us a quick overview of the revenue, cost, and profits throughout the year. We can zoom in for the Q1 and see the breakdown for the month as well. So it's quite key to have a quick overview of the results. Then in order to ease the job of the sales representative, we have implemented a quick action such as showing the pipeline by value. showing the pending quotations, so to focus on those that we need to prioritize. Then, and such routinary tasks such as sending a follow-up email just to speed up the whole transformation process. And then we have another action which is showing the individual sales performance, which it's limited only for restricted users. Then Addison will take us throughout the rest of the CRM tool.
Right. Thank you, Nabil, for that presentation. So if you can take a look at that marketing chart here. So from capturing leads to tracking opportunities, our tool stores all the relevant internal and external data that can help boost growth, performance, and productivity. So here in our homepage, you can already have an idea of how your lead conversion is tracking through time. So it is important to track the lead source in the CRM to measure the effectiveness of your various ad campaigns, of course. A lead becomes a contact associated with an opportunity when it has a high possibility of getting through. So our tool will definitely help you track the journey of your customers so that you can further boost conversion. So the different modules beside the home page here provides you added capabilities to track customer journey regardless if the customers are tagged as accounts, opportunities, leads, or contacts. Examples of these capabilities are keeping track of follow-ups, assigning salespeople to each lead, and monitoring communication status. Now we go to the segmentation part of the dashboard. So these will inform the users of the relevant segments of the converted SME customers that they have. What is good about this tool is that the users will have the flexibility on the customer information and the approach they will consider in building their own segments. It can be business rule driven or using unsupervised technique. So this all depends on the analytical maturity of the users. But the best part is that the tool will provide you an exhaustive list of internal and external data about the customers, such as their profile from the application form, the different products they availed, their payment behavior, and all their interactions, may it be requests, inquiries, complaints, and cases. Also their online behavior, what they do in your website, your FB page, for example, or even external data such as the SME's web data that can be scraped from their own websites. Of course, the other important metric here is the NPS, as you can see. It will give you an idea of how satisfied your customers are and how likely they are to recommend your product or service to others. So what we want to highlight here is that not only that you can view the overall NPS, but also you can view or drill down the NPS for each of the customer segments that we have here. Beside NPS, you can see a specific performance measure that will indicate your progress towards an achievement of a particular goal or objective. So you can indicate achievement towards a target number of customers, for example, or even sales or revenue target. And then lastly, we have the conversion funnel here. So this defines your sales process and reporting structure that can allow you to analyze the number of leads at each stage of the journey and the velocity or how quickly leads move through the funnel. So if you click through each one of them, the lead status field on the lead object allows administrators to input multiple custom selections indicating the progress of a lead. So folks, that's our CRM tool. Thank you for listening.